In this video, we're going to be just going through filling out the profile of an organization after you've already registered or logged in. So you'll see here we're already at our profile. We'll just refresh that once again. All right, we're at our account. Go ahead and just click Edit Profile. This is where you're going to go ahead and if you need to change anything, your first name, last name, company name, department, and your position. So I just plugged in C-Suite here as our Fieldr admin account. Your email, no need to change your password. That's only if you want to change it. Phone number, website. We've come to find a lot of employers like to not just include the primary domain for the website, but also if you have your own ATS, applicant tracking system, integrated within your website, go ahead and put the direct link to that to make it just as effective. So when students do navigate through our platform and find your positions, they will then have the ability to just click through your website link. That'll take them to the official ATS if they decide to apply outside of our platform. Your industry, of course, we are software and tech. Our location, company profile photo, a bio, and then you can submit that. So I'm just going to go ahead and submit. I didn't make any changes, obviously. And we'll just boom, bring you right back to your account. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is just the simple way of filling out your organizational profile once you've registered your company. Thank you for watching and join us in the next video.